Hey y'all, it's Bria, the owner of BRIA Vanity Mirrors. Check out my shirt. How cute is it? Okay, today we're going to be doing an unboxing and revealing of one of our new vanity mirrors. We have two new mirrors that we're going to be launching very soon. They were literally delivered yesterday. I have yet to unbox and open any of the mirrors because I was saving it for this video. So excited to show you guys. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is one of our biggest yet to come mirrors. I am like so excited because I don't know if it's gonna get any bigger than this, but this is one of the full length mirrors. I'm gonna start cutting as I'm talking because I just literally cannot wait to see how it looks. All right, so I didn't mention the length, width, and height or the weight of this mirror. It's actually, like I said, our biggest, so I will definitely have that listed in the description below. However, let's get started. Let's open this up and see what's going on inside. Just hoping that the mirror is not damaged or broken in any way. We did double box these mirrors to add an extra layer of protection during delivery. We also offer route shipping, which adds insurance to your package. I found it much easier to stand the mirror up on its side while cutting the tape to open the box. Okay, as you can see, it took me a good long time to get that done. Out of breath, and I'm tired. However, like I said, it is double boxed, so that is going to help with shipping, making sure that you get your mirrors safely delivered. Okay, so this right here is our light bulbs that come with the mirror. They're all included. Not even sure how many there is. Not even about to count that right now either. So let's get into it. Oh my goodness. We're gonna lift this styrofoam and see what we have here. Like OMG, how beautiful is this mirror? The size, like everything about it is perfect. The size, the height, I love it. I love it so much. This is probably by far one of my favorite mirrors. I love them all, but you know, if I had to rate it 1 through 10, this is definitely top. So let's finish unpackaging her. She's up, she's beautiful. Here's the on and off button. So after screwing about 23 of these in, we're finally finished. Okay, so here we have the cord, which includes nails and wall mounts to give you the option to hang your mirror on the wall if that is your preference. However, the mirror is definitely long enough to just lean up against the wall as well. Now we're going to test out the buttons. How bright and beautiful is this mirror? Literally perfect. Like I'm just so in love, you guys. Perfect lighting. Beautiful, not too bright. Again, these are LED bulbs that are included with the mirror. You don't have to worry about purchasing like 15 plus light bulbs. It is just the best purchase ever. So tall. And the mirror actually comes with different lighting tones. So this is the warm tone, which is pretty. It's kind of like a sunset lighting. It's definitely nice if you don't want it too bright. Maybe more at nighttime, I would say that's the best. And then there's also like a soft white tone. So the first one was actually bright white, and this is like a soft white. And that is all. If you all love this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment below, again, if you all would like to see more unboxing and revealing of our new Hollywood mirrors. Hope to see you in our next video.